Hey everyone, this is Samstill. Today, we're doing a quick unboxing of the brand new Fujifilm X-E5, and I also compare it to the Fujifilm X-T5 so you can decide which one is better for you. Let's open the box. Inside, we have the Fujifilm X-E5 body in silver and the XF23mm f2.8 WR lens, the battery, USB-C cable, strap, and paperwork. Minimal, clean, and compact. First impressions, this camera is small, light, and premium. Very rangefinder style. Perfect for street, travel, and everyday photography. This is the kind of camera you can bring anywhere. For the specs comparison of X-E5 versus X-T5, they are both 40 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5 HR, same X processor 5, image quality, same level, both are insane. For video, they are both maximum video up to 6.2K 30p, 4K 60p, and F-Log 2. Video performance is almost identical, no excuses for me. For body and handling, the X-E5 is like a rangefinder style EVF, while the X-T5 is center EVF. For the IBs, the X-T5 have 5-axis IBs. For the size and weight, the X-E5 is smaller and lighter, but the X-T5 is a weather seal. This is the big difference. Who is each camera for? For the X-E5, if you love street photography, travel, daily carry, and you want something light and stylish, X-E5 is perfect. For the X-T5, if you shoot professional work, handheld video, wildlife, or events, X-T5 is safer, more powerful body. So which one should you buy? If you want a portability and simplicity, go with the X-E5. If you want a maximum stability and control, then go to the X-T5. Comment below which one would you choose, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.